Hello, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A6 and I'm gonna show you how to add the photo to a contact on this device. Let's start by opening the Contacts app, and to do it, I just tap this icon right here. Now let's tap on the contact we want to add the photo to, for example this one. Here let's tap on this camera icon in the middle. And here we can select one of the already pre-existing photos, for example like this. Or we can select to take a photo with our camera, or select the photo from gallery. Let's select gallery. And now let's tap on the picture we want to select. Here we need to crop the image. Basically we can recenter it, we can move this frame around, we can make it smaller by grabbing by the corner and resizing it, and we can make it bigger too. And once you're done, tap done on the bottom, and then tap save to save the contact. And as you can see, the picture was added to a contact right here. And that should be all. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, remember to subscribe to our channel and leave the like on the video.